In this video, we will learn how to create social media posts using Canva. Let's begin. If you are unfamiliar with Canva and how to use it, don't worry. I have created a video that will provide a link in the description. Now, let's get started on designing. First, open Canva and search for an Instagram post. Once you have found it, select a blank frame. We want a square frame, so go to the Resize section and click on the Custom Size. Then, select Square and click on the Resize the Design button. Now that we have a square frame, you can create a rectangle by going to the elements and selecting the rectangle. Give it a color from the color box. If you want another rectangle, duplicate it and adjust it to the center and the bottom. Upload and import your desired images. If you want to remove the background of your image, you can do so in Canva if you have the Pro version. If not, you can easily remove the background by going to your browser and typing "remove BG" into the search bar. Once you have done that, drag and drop your image and it will remove the background for you. You can then download the image and upload it to Canva. After adjusting your PNG file into the design, you can add drop shadow by clicking on Edit Photo and selecting Drop Shadow. Adjust it according to your desire and do some color grading of the picture from the Adjust setting. After doing all of this, it's time to write some text. Simply click on the text and then choose Heading 1. Write the text you want and change the font from the box. Increase its size and put it back to the image. You can also add some circle frames where you can put more images. Go to the elements and search for a circle frame. Then select the type of circle you want and adjust it according to your design. Now, put the images into these circles by dragging and dropping them. If you want a smoke effect at the bottom, go to the elements and search for smoke. Choose the effect you like and adjust it at the bottom. Add some subheadings to select the text. And voila! Your design is now complete. Here's how to design posts for your social media using Canva. In case you're not familiar with Canva, I have already created a comprehensive guide for you which I will provide a link to in the description section so you can check it out. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thank you for watching.